Caring for the elderly used to mean one thing: a warm meal, a clean bed, and the right medications. But in today's world, that is not enough. As people live longer and families grow busier, the emotional and spiritual needs of older adults are often left behind. They may have food, but feel forgotten. They may be alive, but not truly living. Doctors and geriatric psychologists now say that modern elder care must evolve, not just to preserve the body, but to honor the soul. Today, we'll explore 3 new ways to care for the elderly that go beyond traditional caregiving. These methods are rooted in science, but guided by humanity. In our rush to provide food, medicine, and mobility aids, we often forget to talk. Not instructions, but real conversations. The kind that lets an elder feel seen, respected, remembered. A 2023 study by the National Institute on Aging found that seniors who had 10 minutes of meaningful conversation daily showed lower rates of depression, improved memory recall, and better sleep. Philosopher from the US, Maya Angelou once said, "People will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel." Listening is care. Ask them about their youth. Let them tell the same story twice. That small moment may be their entire day. Too often, aging becomes a sentence of silence. They sit, watch, wait. But the human spirit does not retire. Experts from Harvard's Center for Aging report that older adults given responsibilities, such as mentoring, organizing family events, or teaching skills, experienced a 43% improvement in mood and vitality within 8 weeks. Philosopher from Germany, Viktor Frankl, wrote, "Life is never made unbearable by circumstances, but only by lack of meaning." Even small roles, folding laundry, reading to a grandchild, choosing the day's music, can give an elder reason to wake up with pride. They do not need a schedule. They need a sense of worth. Bathing, dressing, changing clothes. These moments are vulnerable, even embarrassing for some. The way we provide help matters. Looking away during intimate care, asking permission, giving choices, speaking gently. A survey from the American Geriatrics Society revealed that 73% of older adults fear being treated like a child more than they fear illness or death. Philosopher from India, Mahatma Gandhi, once said, "The true measure of any society can be found in how it treats its most vulnerable members." Dignity is not a detail. It is the foundation of trust. Care that protects privacy is care that preserves identity. To care for an elder is not a task. It is a privilege, a return, because once they cared for us. True elder care is not just about health. It is about wholeness. So the next time you prepare a plate, prepare a conversation, the next time you help them walk, let them lead in something too. And when they struggle, help softly so their pride stays intact. Because aging is not the end of purpose. It is just a new beginning, if we let it be.